Well, after talking about hypothesis testing for two proportions, you can actually also do confidence intervals for two proportions. Well, instead of a 2-prop z test, we're now going to do a 2-prop z int, and the int stands for interval, for confidence interval. But guess what? They need almost the exact same information. They still need an x1 and an n1, and an x2 and an n2. They need one more piece of information. They need a confidence level. And then you'll have your calculator do the calculation, and it will pop out the confidence interval for the difference between the two proportions. Notice, it does give you the confidence interval for the difference between the two proportions. So that's what they're going to be asking for. Use a 0.95% confidence level to construct a confidence interval estimate between the difference of the two proportions listed. So, we've got two sets of information. We've got an x1 and an n1 and an x2 and an n2. So here's our first group of information, the Shantics. So we have an x1 and an n1. Remember, the n is the total. And we have an x2 and an n2. Two groups, Shantics and placebo. Then we can just run our 2-prop z int. And we have our x1, n1. And so our x1, n1 here. And we also have our x2, n2. And they gave us our confidence level, which according to this problem was 0.95. And you press calculate at the end, and let's see what you actually end up with. After you press calculate, you would get out the solution. 0.069 to 0.192, or actually it's 0.193. That's your confidence interval. And you are done.